I'm calling from some next bank.
Hi, Tina. How are you?
Oh, fine. How is you, sir? Oh. You are calling, you are asking, my name there is
You are calling from where? You are calling from where?
I am calling from some XX bank.
Okay, ma'am. How can you get my number, ma'am?
Yeah, what a lucky draw.
What a wonder. Please say again, please.
Yesterday you visited shopping mall in Hyderabad.
Yes.
Yeah. You bought some article there, na?
Oh, in which?
In these articles, you given a barcode to that, na?
Yes.
This regarding our multinational company awarded you with a huge amount.
Is it?
Yeah. Can you expect the award amount?
Okay. I can't expect. Please.
What you write the 50000 5 zeros.
What a wonder. Tell me, ma'am, again.
5 and 5 zeros, then after 7 zeros.
I can't count this number also, ma'am.
Oh, not this is only, yaar. Remaining number zeros are there left. First you write 50, then after 70, and then after you write 8 zeros.
I'm not.
You are excited, huh?
Controlling my emotions, please. One second, please. Is it true or not?
Is it true, sir? Is it true? Please go to the website.
Okay.
www. My website address is, check the one.
Okay, 1 minute, ma'am.
www.
Yes.
Samex dot
Okay.
Tulexsound.com.
Right. Okay, noted. Now go to my website.
Are you excited?
Don't laugh.
Yes.
Seriously?
From which Hyderabad?
Are you satisfied with the website?
Yes. Okay, it's open.
If you are not satisfied, I will make a conference call to some other person. That person who got a lucky draw yesterday and he get a huge amount also. If you want to prove?
Yes. It is necessary to me also.
Okay. Now only I connected the conference call to the just you wait.
Okay,
I am
ma'am.
connecting conference call. Just you wait. That person is Mr. Rashiduddin from Bangladesh. Rashiduddin. Hello, good morning, Rashiduddin sir. I am Tina.
Hi, good morning, Neha.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Yesterday you got a lucky draw, na?
Yeah, I got the money.
Your bank is created, na?
Yeah, wonderful.
Okay.
I wonder.
Today also one guy from Hyderabad. Today one also guy from Hyderabad purchasing a shopping mall. That he get the lucky draw, but he did not trust it. Please get excuse and talk with them.
What is his name?
Raghupat.
Hi, Raghu sir. How are you?
Hi, good morning, Ji.
Sir, please believe that sir.
Yes, now Tina is telling me about that.
Tina.
I
Have
have not
successfully received
believing.
the amount.
I have not believing, but she also tell about other yesterday he got some amount like that lucky draw. So for my believing, he give conference with you.
Please believe, sir.
True or not?
Please believe, sir. I am happy to say I have received that amount yesterday and I felt very happy. We also believe them and receive the call and give the every detail they asked you.
So what is
You will not be cheated.
what are the process to get that?
Yeah, Raghupat sir. Are you online?
Tell me, Tina.
Are you online? Are you satisfied with those words with guy?
No one is there.
I'm not satisfied. How can I prove?
No, I am.
I'm taking to your website, I'm taking to the lucky
Yes,
draw,
yes.
but you can't.
Your website is open.
You have to trust, sir. Please, sir. Yes, sir. Tina, sir, I'm not trusting.
Nowadays, some fake links are suddenly
No,
we
sir.
lost our amount. That's why I am querying.
No sir, I am working in a very dignified company, sir.
Rasul ji,
There are some fake websites are like that, but these people are not fake. And I have received the money yesterday, and I felt very happy. I wondered, and please believe them and give all the information which they asked you. And you will receive the money very
Mr.
soon.
Rashid sir, Mr.
I am
Rashid
the
sir.
you are coming from where, sir?
Can you send a screenshot?
I will send the screenshot. Yes.
Send your
Your bank passbook in the PAN passbook. You take a screenshot in the PAN passbook and send to Raghupathi sir. Okay.
Okay, sir. See that screenshot on your WhatsApp number.
Yes,
Please
yes,
take
yes.
it and
I got it, sir.
Go through it.
The screenshot got it, sir. Now I am accepting, sir.
Good sir, good sir.
So,
You are always good person, sir. Indians are very good person, sir.
Intelligent
how
person.
much
Very
you
good
want,
person, sir. Indians are all. I like the Indians, sir.
The Indians is also
Oh, very
always-
civilized person, Indians. I like the most, sir. Sir, in this regard, you have to give some information, sir. Please, sir, please.
Tell me, Tina ji.
First you say your name and father name and your bank account details and the location of native place and also your what number that SBI, sorry, SBI not IFSC code.
Can I give you with by phone or in
You will receive an OTP, sir. Please
No,
send
no,
that
orally
to
you
the-
orally?
Orally give.
Orally?
Orally you give.
Okay. Please note down, sir.
Say loudly, sir.
I am Raghupati B. I am Raghupati B. Son of
Okay.
Jagannath.
Okay.
You want what details, sir?
Bank account, sir.
500
Okay.
361
Okay.
9352.
Okay.
Am I correct, sir? Reply me, sir, once again.
IFSC code, sir.
IFSC.
IFSC code much important, sir. IFSC code much important.
00005673.
Okay, good sir, good sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, what time it should take to credit amount, sir? in my
In
account?
just 15 days, your account going to be debited with a huge amount.
Oh. Okay, can I check my account now, sir?
One second, sir, listen to me.
OTP.
Your PIN code also. You have to give PIN code also.
Which, sir? ATM? PIN code?
PIN code, yeah.
9156.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thanks for your kind information, sir. And after the getting you huge money, what you do? What you do, sir? What should you do?
I want to construction your house, sir.
One house,
I
okay.
am staying in a rented house, sir. So this is my good opportunity for me from your company and multinational company.
What a kind heart you have, sir. Great, sir.
Thus I can bring to poor people also in our country, sir. Our countrymen. So please give some opportunities to them also. I will also give my experience to other people by about your multinational company.
Wow. I'm very excited to speak with you, sir. My team will come in 10 days to reach you, make a short film about your views and about your contribution to the society. Okay, na, sir? Okay, sir.
If you are give a chance to meet with me, I will give a gift for you. If it is possible, yes.
What a goodness, sir. What a goodness, sir. Oh, I like the Indian citizens, sir. Okay, anyway. Okay, okay, sir. I have another call, sir. My CEO sir calling, sir. CEO sir calling. I have another call. I will charge you later. Okay? I will call you back.
There is
Okay, I will call you back, sir. Okay? Bye. Have a nice day. Bye. Come Tina, you get a huge award now. Hey,
Tell me tonight.
nicely.
Tell me.
Nicely.
You are use your personal mobile number.
This is the personal, I will not
Please invite him.
Still anything is there to
Hello Reshma. I got a call from a multinational company. I gifted some amount. Lakhs. 3 crores near about and above. I'm very happy. Within 3 times we credited amount. Now we have to make construct a good building, duplex, and have to buy a car. Remaining life we will be have to enjoy. I will come with you next week. Okay? Wait for my gift and wait for you. Please from you. What's the number? Hello, Tina. Tina, not working. Not working.
Sir, anybody help it? Friends,
These cars are not amazing,
oh my God.